Hello everybody. Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where successful people come together to get inspired. Today I'm going to talk about how to sell like Grant Cardone. He is a multi-millionaire, New York Times bestseller. Uh, he has real estate empire across US. And to, if you are the first time to Rich Life Insider, welcome. Rich Life Insider is about how to have a successful life, how to make more money. A great life has five foundations. Number one, health, wealth, love, happiness, and freedom. So yeah, a rich and great life has to have these foundations. Okay, so make sure you subscribe my channel to learn more about all the successful videos and how successful people's biographies, all the videos. Okay, let's get to today's topic. Okay, so I saw his advertisement, Grant Cardone advertisement on social media, and he's giving us the boat for free. We just pay for shipping, which is about $8 shipping. Which is nothing really. If you are going to buy this boat set or be sold on Amazon.com, it's selling for $18.68. But what really got me to buy this book is all these things. Ebook. You get wallpaper, tire missing sense ebook, 10 biggest follower mistakes, 10 mistakes that kill your dear ebook, and how to create a pipeline. All these six. Ebook is really great. It doesn't cost to seller to create. I mean, he just needed to create this one time, and he can use it over and over again. And to the buyer, it's a great benefit. The buyer sees more value rather than just selling the book, or pay for $8, and which is just a shipping. He might not lose the money on his book. And this is a really great idea, and as a buyer, it's no brainer just to buy it right away. It's $34.75. Okay. I look at this ad, and I get more value to it. So I just buy it. I mean, another thing is as a seller, he just upsell the things. You want an MP3 or ebook, that's $14.95. That's how you make money. And also, yeah, so for the sake of this video, I will just click on send me my free book now. Click on it. Okay, that will bring you to another page, another page of selling. So basically he is selling to his negotiation and closing master class for $997 for only $47. And this is what he talked about the video advertisement, and it gives you urgencies within 6 minutes, 7 minutes. You need to do that. That's a great idea to do it. And also it tells you what you are going to be getting. The only thing is I'm not sure if it's going to be videos, or if it's going to be seminar class, if it's going to be hard copy, and it doesn't tell anything to the customers about it. But based on my experience, I think it's going to be just videos. If it's just videos, it's a great idea to tell the prospects that what the process is gonna be getting back. Otherwise, he's done a great job with this thing. And this is not the only page that's gonna tell you that's gonna upsell his classes, courses. And this is only a second upsell that you will see. Okay, so for this video, I will just click on this one for the purpose of the video. Okay. The next page is really upselling everything. Cardone University, it gave you more authority. It gives him more authority on it. You also get certification on it. Certification also helps. Some people want to get certification, so it pursues you to buy more. And bonuses, all the price tag. You look at it. 10,000 value for you, I get only $497. And So what I do is, okay, this page is better than the previous page. It tells you what you are getting. This basically these are gonna be video, or I think you can stream it online. 5-hour masterclass with Grant Cardone, ebook, 15 videos, 3 things that will make a break. It's more specific. Closing strategy, closer survival guide, secrets to closing the sale, reborder menu, and plus bonuses. Everybody loves bonuses, right? Everybody loves free stuff. So yeah, he's added bonuses. I mean, it doesn't cost him. Uh, it's it doesn't have any variable cost. Just because he's giving you these things, it doesn't cost him anything. But of course, there was always an initial cost to it, but then you just need to create one time, and you can set it over and over again. Yeah. And this is like social proof, testimonials of the clients in the video. You can see reviews, all these reviews, all also frequently asked questions. So the reason why most prospects do not buy is because they always have questions in their mind. They're not gonna tell you that, and the best way to sell something is to remove all the barriers, all the questions that your customers have in their mind, your prospect have in their mind. How long do I have access to it? 12 months. Okay. What is included? Everything. So he specified all of these. Customer, not every prospect gonna ask you every questions that he has. So very great idea is to clarify all the questions before he even asks. Before your prospect even asks. So that means that gives you more credibility because you are being transparent and you clarify all his questions before. And also another most objection is basically, what if I buy something I regret it later? Because everybody does not want to regret later. So yeah, if you change your mind within 30 days, you can get your refund. There's no issue with that. So which is really great. Okay, I'm just gonna buy it. I can always get a refund. So basically, he removed all the barriers to sales. So after purchase, you can get it right away. It also comes with certification. All these things, logo gives you more sense of security of buying online. Yeah, so basically he has done a great job with that, with this everything. So yeah, so let's click on it. I think this is the last page. He has 3 upsells. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 upsells on it. Yeah. Okay, this is just done. So after this, you get a receipt, brother receipt. It's completed. They are showing you the videos how to do it. So I click on it twice, but I can call them again. They respond really fast. And so yeah, this is the topic. I hope you learned something about selling and how to sell like Grant Cardone, a multi-millionaire, how to sell like a multi-millionaire, how to be a millionaire. So yeah, you can follow his channel if you want. Yeah. So make sure if you learn something about it, make sure you share this video with your friends and also subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more videos about how to make more money and how to be successful, and I will also be uploading videos about successful people, their biographies, what it takes to be successful, how to make more money, and yeah. So I will see you next time. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.